Does it actually work? I'm about to find out, and I'm documenting the whole thing. Lately, my entire FYP has been full of videos telling me just that. Change your life in 6 months, financial freedom in 180 days, get rich fast. You can do it too. Is this a sign? Is the universe politely calling me out on social media? In the past, I would have just scrolled past this. I used to believe what you don't know is not gonna hurt you. Period. And I subscribed to the school of thought, money doesn't buy happiness. But recently, I've had the kind of personal growth where the ground gets pulled from under you. The kind that forces you to reevaluate your life. Turns out, money may not buy happiness, but it does buy options. And options make life a lot more comfortable. That moment flipped a switch. It made me realize I need to take my finances a little more seriously. I'm just done winging it, done with the stress, done with that sinking feeling of not knowing where it all goes by the end of the month. So this is me officially pressing start. I've got a financial goal I want to hit. And instead of chasing the hype, I'm creating my own 6-month financial plan. One that's realistic, focused, and personal to me. This isn't about being perfect with money, because I'm not. I've made mistakes, ignored my bank balances, overspent, borrowed, and undersaved. And I know I'm not the only one. And now I want real lasting change. So let's find out, can this really be done in 6 months? So here's the game plan. Every month, I'm going to focus on one part of my financial life, just one area at a time, stacked step by step, so that by the end of the month, I've built a system that works for me. And to make this easier to follow for both me and you, I've broken this into 3 phases over 6 parts. Phase 1 is stabilizing. Month 1 is all about budgeting and cutting expenses. Month 2 is about increasing income through side hustles and extra earnings. This is where I clean up my finances and build control. Phase 2 is grow. Month 3 is focus on saving, investing for the future. Month 4 is all about debt repayment and financial discipline. This is where I stop leaking money and start building actual momentum. Phase 3, we're calling it sustain. Month 5 is about money habits, efficiency, and financial growth. Month 6 is about planning for long-term wealth and financial independence. This is where I create a plan I can actually sustain and feel proud of. My goal isn't just to have more money, although yes, that is a part of it. I want peace of mind, I want clarity, I want to build something sustainable, not just survive until payday. And by the end of the 6 months, I want to build a clear, flexible budget, pay off debt, save consistently, create more than one income stream, and actually feel proud of how I manage money. Like I'm getting closer to my financial goals, not running in circles. I'm sharing this journey because I know I'm not alone in this. If you ever felt behind, overwhelmed, or just plain stuck, maybe this is your sign to reset too. So here's what to expect. I'll be sharing everything. The wins, the mistakes, the numbers, the mindset shifts, all of it. One video on the first Sunday of every month for the rest of 2025. Each one will document my progress, what I'm learning, and how things are really going. I would love for you to join me. Drop a comment below. Let me know where you are at in your money journey. Even just writing it down might be the nudge you need. And honestly, hearing from you might be the push I need to keep going too. We're all figuring this out one step at a time. Let's do it together. In the next video, I'm diving into month 1, budgeting and cutting expenses, how I'm tracking every penny, what I'm cutting, how I'm building a budget that actually fits my life, not just my bills. If you're ready to take control of your money with me, hit subscribe and let's build momentum. Remember, you got this.